Welcome to the College of Business and Economics Career Placement Poster. My name is Miriam Herrera, and today I will be sharing some of the great work we do with career placement and our vision for the future. The purpose of career placement is to assist current CBE students with internships and job placements. We do this through company information sessions, career fairs, and career workshops. Our current work is centered on building a database of companies who offer internships and jobs, establishing strong partnerships with new and existing companies and organizations, and streamlining a process for site agreements. Some notable accomplishments we have had in the past couple of years have been sharing more than 150 job opportunities and over 200 internship opportunities. We have also hosted over 50 companies and more than 500 students at our 2019-2020 career fairs. We also see a positive increase in the number of companies between fall 2016 and summer 2020. Our vision for the future is to successfully track how many of our students are applying to internships and jobs, how many receive invitations to interview, and how many receive internship and job offers. Our second goal is to develop a solid system for reporting and tracking jobs and internships. And lastly, our third goal is to strengthen and increase employer partnerships with the CBE. Special thank you to Dr. Angela Young for her support and contributions. Thank you so much for listening.